It is day 12, guys, and we are getting to the juicy part now. And today we are going to be discussing how to make money in the stock market. Essentially, there are two ways that you make money in the stock market. One is capital appreciation. Two is through dividends. So those are two ways that you make money in the market. How do they work? Here is the thing. If you buy a particular stock, ETF or whatever in the market, the reason why you are buying it is to become more valuable in the future. If it becomes more valuable, you make more money. That is why you hear things like you buy low, you sell high. Essentially, that's why all of us are in the market. We want to buy a stock at a lower price and sell it when it goes up. That is capital appreciation. But capital appreciation doesn't come alone. It comes with being more valuable than what the stock is used to be. So now take for instance, you buy a share of Google at $100 per share. Now Google do some innovation. They make a lot of money. Google become much valuable, right? The stock gone up to $150. That means your $100 has now turned to $150. That's it. You purchase a share of MTN at 180 naira. The share of MTN is now selling for over 400 naira. That means your 180 naira invested is now what? 480 naira. That is capital appreciation. That is one way to make money in the market. The second way to make money in the market is through dividends. What are dividends? This is essentially the stock that you purchase sharing a part of their profits with you. So you purchase a company and that company say, we have reached a certain level that we have made so much money. Usually these are not stocks at the growth stage. These are stocks that are well established. So they made a lot of money and they are like, we don't want to reinvest all of this money back into the company. So we should share part of the profit with our investors. That's essentially what dividend is. Now you need to know something. Dividends are not always guaranteed. And it is not all the companies listed on the exchange that pays dividends. It works the same way either way. Whether Nigerian Stock Exchange or you are talking about New York Stock Exchange. It is not all stocks that pay dividends. And the way they pay dividend also differs. Meanwhile, some of them pay 2 times a year. Some pay once. And some pay on quarterly basis. So those are the things about dividend. And those are essentially the two ways that you make money in the stock market. You also need to be careful when you are choosing a stock to invest in. It's not just about dividends. You can't just say you are buying a stock just because of the dividend, because what I want to point out is what is called a dividend trap, whereby people just invest in stocks and they are trapped in because of that high dividend. Meanwhile, the stock is not growing at all. So you need to be careful when you are doing all of these things. So those are two ways you make money in the market.